In the silent frozen reaches of our solar system, where sunlight is little more than a memory and darkness stretches endlessly, mysteries still await discovery. NASA has uncovered something extraordinary, a colossal cryovolcano rising from the surface of a distant ice-covered moon, far beyond the warmth of the inner planets. Unlike Earth's fiery volcanoes, this giant is built from ice, not molten rock, a mountain sculpted by eruptions of water, ammonia, and other exotic chemicals in the deep freeze of space, where temperatures plunge hundreds of degrees below zero. Scientists piece together its existence from subtle surface patterns, faint ridges, and years of painstaking data, revealing a world where ice can flow and reshape the landscape just as lava does on Earth. This discovery challenges our assumptions about where geological activity, and possibly even life, can exist, forcing us to rethink what is possible in the outer solar system. Even in the coldest, most remote corners of the solar system, hidden energy sources can drive dramatic change, fueling eruptions and shaping alien worlds. Cryovolcanoes hint at vast subsurface oceans, protected from the harsh vacuum above, and offer natural pathways for water, heat, and chemicals to reach the surface, ingredients that could support life. Each new find is a beacon, suggesting that the search for life may be most promising not on planets, but on these frigid, distant moons, where warmth and chemistry meet in unexpected ways. The universe is more dynamic, mysterious, and surprising than we ever imagined, with secrets waiting in the darkness. This icy volcano invites us to look deeper, to wonder what else lies hidden in the shadows, and to ask, are we truly alone in the cosmos? Cryovolcanism is cold volcanism, eruptions of icy slush instead of molten rock. On these frozen worlds, water, ammonia, or methane, normally gases or liquids on Earth, exist as rock-hard ice. Deep below, faint warmth melts pockets of this ice, creating pressurized reservoirs of slushy, volatile-rich liquid. When pressure builds, the mixture bursts through cracks, erupting as plumes of ice, vapor, and frozen particles. These eruptions reshape the landscape, forming smooth, icy plains or explosive geysers that can even create thin atmospheres or feed planetary rings. Cryovolcanoes show that geology isn't just about heat. Nature finds a way, even in the coldest places. The same physical principles, pressure, density, phase changes, apply, but with entirely different ingredients. A volcano is a volcano, whether it erupts fire or frost. Cryovolcanism expands our view of what's possible in the universe. Earth's volcanoes erupt molten rock, forging continents and shaping the very land we walk on. These fiery mountains are born from deep within our planet, where intense heat and pressure melt rock into rivers of lava. With every eruption, they sculpt the landscape and influence the atmosphere, shaping life with fire and ash that nourishes the soil and drives evolution. In contrast, cryovolcanoes on distant moons erupt icy slurries, water, ammonia, and salts, at temperatures far below freezing, in environments where sunlight barely reaches the surface. Their lava glistens in faint sunlight, flowing slowly before freezing solid, building smooth, bright plains instead of jagged rock. These frozen flows create alien landscapes, beautiful and strange. The energy source is subtle. Tidal forces from nearby giant planets stretch and squeeze these moons, or radioactive decay deep below the surface, not a molten core like Earth's, but still powerful enough to drive eruptions. Eruptions send plumes of vapor and ice into space, falling back as glittering snow, sometimes even escaping to form rings or feed planetary atmospheres. Despite the differences, both types of volcanoes serve the same purpose, releasing internal energy and cycling material from within to the surface, renewing and transforming their worlds. One sculpts mountains of rock under blue skies, the other, mountains of ice beneath a star-filled void, silent and mysterious. Both are signs of a geologically active world, revealing restless interiors and ongoing change. The universe's creativity is on full display, fire and frost, each with its own story, each a testament to the power and diversity of planetary processes. Cryovolcanoes prove that even the coldest worlds can be alive, their frozen hearts beating beneath the surface. Enceladus, Saturn's tiny reflective moon, is the poster child for cryovolcanism. NASA's Cassini spacecraft witnessed towering plumes of water vapor and ice erupting from its south pole, active geysers spraying an underground ocean into space. These plumes vent through tiger-stripe cracks, powered by tidal heating from Saturn's gravity. Cassini flew through the plumes, sampling water, salts, silica, and organic molecules, the building blocks of life. The presence of hydrothermal activity on Enceladus's ocean floor mirrors life-rich vents on Earth. Enceladus offers a direct window into a potentially habitable environment, making it a prime target in the search for life. Thanks to its geysers, we can study its ocean without drilling through miles of ice. This discovery has shifted our focus to icy moons as dynamic, promising worlds. Enceladus is proof that even small, cold moons can be alive and full of surprises. Enceladus isn't alone. Other icy moons in our solar system also show remarkable signs of cryovolcanism, hinting at dynamic processes beneath their frozen exteriors. Neptune's moon Triton, for example, erupts nitrogen gas and dark dust, powered by sunlight that gently warms its frozen surface and triggers explosive geysers that shoot material high above the moon. These plumes create mysterious dark streaks across Triton's surface, revealing that even the faintest energy from the distant sun can drive dramatic and unexpected change on these remote worlds. Jupiter's moon Europa, with its cracked, icy shell, is another fascinating example. Scientists believe it likely hides a vast, salty ocean beneath its frozen crust, making it a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. While active plumes haven't been seen as clearly as on Enceladus, the Hubble Space Telescope has spotted tantalizing hints of water vapor, and Europa's chaotic, disrupted terrain suggests that eruptions may have shaped its surface in the past. These jumbled ice blocks, scattered across Europa's surface, closely resemble sea ice on Earth, and may have formed above pockets of slushy water, or from rising plumes breaking through the crust. Europa's frozen landscape is a record of ancient and ongoing cryovolcanic activity, offering scientists another tantalizing chance to sample a hidden ocean and search for signs of life. Each of these distant worlds tells a different story, but together they point to a single astonishing truth. The outer solar system is alive with icy eruptions and hidden activity. Cryovolcanoes are far more common and far more important to planetary science than we ever imagined, reshaping our understanding of where life might exist beyond Earth. What powers a cryovolcano? It starts with hidden energy, tidal heating from a giant planet or radioactive decay deep within. This warmth melts ice, creating subsurface oceans or briny chambers rich in salts, ammonia, or methane, nature's antifreeze. The lighter cryomagma rises, building pressure beneath the rigid ice crust. When the pressure is too great, it cracks the surface, erupting as a mix of liquid, slush, and gas. As the cryomagma ascends, dissolved gases bubble out, propelling the eruption explosively, like opening a shaken soda. The erupted material freezes instantly in the vacuum, forming plumes of ice crystals and spreading slushy lava across the surface. These flows carve channels and build new formations before freezing solid. The entire process is a dance of physics, energy, pressure, and chemistry, unfolding in the coldest places. Cryovolcanoes are nature's way of letting a frozen world express its inner heat. Cryovolcanism has revolutionized our search for life. It proves that liquid water, and potentially habitable environments, can exist far from the sun, hidden beneath ice. Cryovolcanoes act as natural probes, spraying subsurface material into space for us to sample. By analyzing these plumes, we can study ocean chemistry, temperature, and even search for organic molecules. The process itself may help create life-friendly conditions, as water interacts with rock and heat to produce energy and nutrients. Silica in Enceladus's plumes is evidence of hydrothermal activity, a possible cradle for life. Cryovolcanism connects a world's interior to its surface, cycling nutrients and energy. Each eruption is a message from a hidden ocean, offering a glimpse into alien habitability. These icy eruptions are our best hope for finding life beyond Earth. The implications are profound. The universe may be teeming with life in places we once thought impossible. Our understanding of cryovolcanoes comes from robotic explorers like Cassini. Cassini's daring flybys of Enceladus revealed its geysers and sampled their chemistry, transforming our view of icy moons. Building on this legacy, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is en route to Jupiter, aiming to study Europa's ice shell and search for active plumes. Clipper will use radar to probe the ice, cameras to map the surface, and spectrometers to analyze any vented material. Its mission: to hunt for signs of cryovolcanism and assess Europa's habitability. If Europa is venting its ocean into space, Clipper will find and sample it. These missions mark the next leap in our quest to explore ocean worlds. Robotic explorers are our eyes and hands in the search for life beyond Earth. The discovery of cryovolcanism has ignited a new era of exploration. We now have real places, moons with hidden oceans, where life might exist, and the technology to investigate them. Europa Clipper's data will inspire new missions, including landers that could analyze ice directly for signs of life. Engineers are even designing cryobots to melt through ice and explore alien seas. These bold ideas, once science fiction, are becoming real possibilities. The search for life is no longer abstract. It's a tangible quest, unfolding in our cosmic backyard. Every new discovery brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? The story of these cold, distant worlds is just beginning. The universe is alive with possibilities, and the next chapter is ours to write.